In today's convenient world, multiple internet and cable TV providers offer their services. All connections can have issues, often due to network or home wiring problems. Most error codes are straightforward and can be resolved by adjusting wires or restarting the router. Error code 106 indicates server congestion or slow internet. Wait for server traffic to ease or improve internet speed and signal strength. Error 23, device not receiving signals from mainline. Check and secure all connections and wires. Contact support if needed. Error code OBV55, improper cable TV network connection. Check cables, restart network, and ensure stable internet connection. Error 200, physical network connection failure. Check and replace damaged or loose cables. Error NW119, Netflix-related error, restart the app, router, and check internet connection on other devices. Error code OBV005. This error usually happens if the cable box you're using is not receiving any internet signals. While this sounds dire, it is usually just a WPS issue. Therefore, you just have to restart a few boxes to resolve it.